Hello, so this is my next tutorial. In this, we will cover the few things, not the much one. So let's start with the user. So in the last video, we have seen that we have create the new database, filter the database, and create the database with demo data and without demo data. Now in this video, we will see like after starting the Odoo will create one default user, okay, which is the admin one through which you can do the login, okay. So this is way Odoo manage the users. You can create the different users and you can assign the different role of that person in the user. How to define that role and that other things we can cover in the next video. But as you can see that now for now only one user is created, okay. So that is what Odoo does. If we create any video without demo data, then no app gonna be installed, okay. So what is a app? So Odoo come with the multiple apps like website, CRM, inventory, manufacturing, sales, all the things. So this is a predefined app developed by the Odoo which you can use in your business, okay. So if you want to use inbuilt apps, then you can just install and configure them and start using it, okay. So these are the apps. By default nothing will be come, okay. Last time we installed the sales and invoicing, that's why this two app is over here, two menu is over here, okay. Otherwise it will come only with apps and settings, okay. So it come with one user than too many apps, okay. You can install anyone. uh, as a developer, what we need to do, okay. So what is the developer's task, okay. So developer have a two tasks: either create the new functionality or do the customization, okay. Now what it will cover in the new functionality, okay. So let's assume that Odoo have a inbuilt apps are there, okay, but sometime it is possible that we don't use any one of them, okay. So at that time we want our own functionality which is not uh, cover the our ideas using the predefined apps. So we will create the new apps over here, okay. In next video I will show you that how to create the new apps like this one. For now you can see CRM, website and project and all the things. So if we want our apps over here, then what we can do, okay. So that we will cover in the next video. So that is the one thing, like we develop the new apps, okay. And other things is the customization, okay. So what it mean by customization, like uh, some customer is there who want to use the sales application of the Odoo, okay. But now they want like this expiration field, okay. So our duty is like we can hide this field, okay. We can move this field to up, we can change this payment terms to any other string, okay. We can add two more button over here. We can move this order line to last tab and other info to first tab. So these are the customization by the customer which we can do in a Odoo. So as I mentioned that developers need to do two things: either develop the new functionality or do the customization in a Odoo. Okay. So now we will cover in next tutorials. I will cover this both, okay. But in the next video I will show you that how to create new functionality, means how to create the new apps over here, means how first of all I will show you that how we can achieve this, means how can we create the apps and what are the steps to do that. Once that is done, we will do some customization in this, okay. So let's see how to build the new app like this one in a next video. Thank you.